तो आपका खाना
मेरा हो गया।
अभिषेक भाई खाएंगे क्या?
हाँ थोड़ा देख लेना। गेट। Hello guys, good evening. How are you? Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So Suyash, you have your interview tomorrow, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll wait for some time for others to join, or else we'll take your mock. Alok, have you updated that? You are Alok, right? A Pandarkar, Siley. No, somebody else. Okay. So Suyash, you have sent me your resume?
Yes, sir. I already shared with you on WhatsApp. Can I share in this chat also?
Let me check it. It's already there. Okay, I am sharing my screen. So instead of mock, we will give you feedback on the resume. That will help you to get some insights. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So basically, first thing, your name should be big, right? It is very small. Its size should be, little big. Your name should occupy the maximum space on the top. Okay, and then this is your pin code, right? This is not required. Email, use a different number here. Don't use bullet point. You can use vertical slash. Okay. Put your phone number before LinkedIn, GitHub. Okay. So increase your name size and then remove this pin code and use a different uh, special character here. Okay. Uh, Instead of software developer, you should be writing career objective and it should be left aligned because all the things below are left aligned. Okay. And passion medical software developer with foundation experience in backend development and coaching. Currently expanding provision Java, Spring Boot, Docker. You know everything Java, Spring Boot.
Yes, sir. I have done internship within this technology and also implemented in my current academic project also.
Okay. Java, Spring Boot, Docker through ongoing learning and practical SQL development. This is not required. This line pursuing a bachelor degree. It's understood. How about your education details? Your education details are not mentioned. Which college?
Sir,
You
it's a two-page resume.
it's two page.
Yes, sir.
Education should come on the top after career objective because that is the main thing. This order is not right at all. So first you should mention career objective, then education, then experience, and it should be left aligned. Why center aligned? Here you are doing center alignment, here you are doing left alignment. Keep it consistent. This shows poor rating. सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो हाँ तो बोलो. चुपचाप क्यों बैठे हो? जो यहाँ नहीं बोलेगा ना वो इंटरव्यू में भी नहीं बोलेगा, याद रखना. ये तीनों एक्सपीरियंस अच्छे से हैं तुम्हारे ये?
यस सर।
चाहो तो इसको हटा सकते हो आप, मतलब आइडियली एक पेज में कर देना चाहिए आपको। आपने 2 पेज का करा है, ठीक है। अब कल ही आपका इंटरव्यू है तो ज़्यादा कुछ चेंजेस करके टेंशन मत लो। यू आर गुड एट ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट्स, इज इट?
यस सर।
सर्टिफिकेशन सबको लेफ्ट अलाइन करो, और
ओके सर।
इन सबको हाईलाइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है।
यस सर।
और इनको इसी के बाद लिख दो। आपको आइडियली टेबल बनाना चाहिए था, बट टेबल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो एक हाइफन लगा के लिख दो कहाँ से किया है, तो वो क्लियर हो जाएगा। क्योंकि पहले वाले को इसको इसको पहले को यहाँ देखना पड़ेगा, फिर यहाँ देखना पड़ेगा, फिर इसको समझ में नहीं आएगा ना कौन सा क्या है, टेबल नहीं है। क्योंकि मैं इसको देख रहा हूँ, अब इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग मेरे को ये दिख गया, तो जबकि इसके ऊपर वाला है वो, राइट।
यस सर।
सो दिस आर एडिटिंग एरर्स। बी रेडी टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस ऑन जावा एंड पाइथन, स्प्रिंग बूट एंड स्प्रिंग बूट पे आपसे क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूज्ड टेक्नोलॉजी इन प्रोजेक्ट्स। ओके।
यस सर।
एंड देन एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर, ओके, प्रोजेक्ट्स। प्रोजेक्ट्स भी आप फ्रंट पेज पर ला सकते हो, यू कैन ब्रिंग एक्सपीरियंस के बाद प्रोजेक्ट्स कर सकते हो। सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज यू कैन टेक देम टू नेक्स्ट पेज, ठीक है।
यस सर।
सर्टिफिकेशन शुड कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, एंड देन एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर, एंड देन पर्सनल डिटेल्स। ओके। नाउ तुमसे एआई पे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, ठीक है। और सब चीज़ पे बैक एंड, फुल एंड, बैक एंड, फ्रंट एंड, सब पे आपसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, ठीक है। जो बी रेडी टू फेस दोज क्वेश्चंस।
Yes, sir. Madam, as a part of the group project, my role was managing the backend technology and deploy on AWS.
नहीं तो
This kind of.
हाँ, देन बेटर यू शुड मेंशन योर रोल स्पेसिफिकली। उसमें तुम्हें लिखना चाहिए दिस वाज अ प्रोजेक्ट, एंड देन you should write by my, and build team project, and whereas I took the responsibility of backend development, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
इसको भी सेंटर लाइन करो। यू कम फ्रॉम एन सर्विस बैकग्राउंड, क्या आपके पेरेंट्स उसमें है क्या, फोर्सेस में?
नहीं सर, फार्मर है।
फार्मर है, ओके। योर परसेंटेज आर गुड, इसको टॉप पे ले जाओ आप, ठीक है।
यस सर।
हम्म, ठीक है, दिस इज गुड। योर कॉलेजेस, देखो कॉलेज नेम इज इम्पोर्टेंट। बहुत बार कॉलेज जो होता है वो बहुत प्रेस्टिजियस होता है, तो उसका भी अच्छा इंप्रेशन पड़ता है, ठीक है।
यस सर।
अब यहाँ पे आप शुरू से लेके 1 to बुलेट पॉइंट यूज कर रहे हो। अब यहाँ पे 1 to 3 यूज करना चालू कर दिया आपने। अब एक जगह सभी जगह बुलेट किया तो वहाँ भी बुलेट ही यूज होगा ना। कैन यू सी दिस?
यस सर।
व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एनएसएस?
नेशनल कैडेट कोर।
एनएसएस
सॉरी, नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम.
क्या होता है? व्हाट इज नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम?
It is a part of our Indian education system where a student get contribute to social services within the collaborating with their university, college, and the social activities.
व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सोशल एक्टिविटीज यू हैव डन?
So I done like NSS camp. So like focusing initially we done the NSS activities such as blood donation camp, organizing the event for voter registration and awareness about the voter card. Then we go for NSS camp also, where we visit a village and we done some like a tree plantation, building like rebuilding a house of the government person, like contributing to government bodies to move the object from particular location to other locations. That's kind of, and organizing the much more events like Povada. That's kind of.
Okay. Okay. Why this is completely capital? Can you see this? It
Yes,
should
sir.
this should be in the small fonts, right?
Yes, sir.
So you did a course on ethical hacking. What is
Yes,
ethical?
sir.
What is the difference between ethical hacking and unethical hacking?
So ethical hacking, we can consider as the white box testing also, because we our aim is to be our aim is to be hack the system, but ethical way. Ethical means we are hacking the system in a good perspective, so that if there is any error or any bug within the system, then we can showcase them to the developer, and developer will be consider and work on this. So in future there will no loss of any data or any other losses regarding of software and information.
So you mentioned it is like a white testing, right?
Yes.
So what are different kind of testing?
So white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing.
Okay, what is black box and gray box?
So, black box testing are the tester who does not know any part of our system, like they don't have the documentation or any information of our system, and they try their best to crack the system down on. And the gray box testing are the middle one, like they are white box tester also, and gray box tester also, like they just know the some kind of information about our system.
Do you know about shoulder testing?
No, sir.
Okay, is there any like orange box testing as well?
No, sir. I learned about the ethical hacking at my first year when I'm exploring the technology and domains within the IT field.
But since you have written it, people can ask you questions. So how can you say you have leadership skills?
Because from my school onward, I lead much more teams during like sports, during NCC camp also, and from like in my college years, I am the house captain of my hostel of army school, where I have to lead and report to the our warden regarding the count and all details.
You studied from army school, right?
Yes.
Can you name all the ranks of army officers, right from the least to the top?
Sorry, sir. I don't have enough knowledge about that ranking.
Okay. So this is again center aligned, make it left aligned.
Yes, sir.
You see, you have mentioned full stack Java development. So you are inviting questions from front end, back end, everywhere. Be ready.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between Git and GitHub?
So Git is a version control system where GitHub is a platform where we look our code, which is pushed or maintained by the Git itself. We can publicly available our code with the help of GitHub to contribute GitHub through community access. Also share our main code within the community.
What is this translator web app? What does it translate? Language.
Yes, it just one of the we use the API of the Google Translator with Python. So it just choose the language to which language you want to translate.
It can translate any language, is it?
Yes, sir.
So how does the input is given through words or voice?
So it's input given by the word. We have to choose the selected language which we want to translate, and there we write the sentence, and then it by sending request it will be translate and return the response.
It is there on a GitHub profile.
No, sir.
See, you have given the hyperlink. Then what is there on GitHub?
So there is the my current ongoing project on GitHub.
Okay. Alignment is little behind from this. Can you see this? और ये
Yes, sir.
percentage और इसके बीच में gap क्यों है? Why there is a gap between percentage and this?
To manage the percentage column.
You should remove this gap. That's
Yes, sir.
okay. This is left aligned, right aligned. This is left aligned. So it has to stick to this, right?
Yes, sir.
And don't need to route the graduation year. It is self-understood. You can shift little up and keep just 2 lines only. You are getting my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, then I think it looks fine. Just work on some small changes which I've suggested you. And tomorrow is your interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm. Somebody has given his interview today, Umar. Umar Abrar. Yeah, Umar, can you share what was asked and how was it? Umar? Umar, you are there. If you are there, then unmute and speak. If you share, then I can tell you how was it, which offer you can get. If you don't share, then nobody can do anything. You don't know. Anybody else who is done with their interview would like to share the experience?
Hi, sir. Hello, here.
Alok.
Yeah, you remember me? We have
Yeah,
meeting on
yeah.
Saturday.
Absolutely. I remember you. I remember your project. I am sharing
That's great.
screen. I have seen that.
Yeah,
This is your resume
yeah.
generator, right?
So I created that particular website using Replit AI. So we just need to fill that boxes like you want to change the name, you can change it like full
If I
name have.
okay, if I change it, it will make the same similar change
Yeah,
here, right?
yeah,
This is
correct.
interesting.
But it's not good. Means it's not good aligned with the PDF. I'm working on it.
This is interesting. This is very good actually.
Hmm.
Where did you hosted it?
Yeah, it's on Replit,
Okay.
but
So
it's
how
incomplete, sir.
uh, what is left now?
The alignment of the content, like if you download that particular PDF, you get to know what I'm want to say.
So basically, Alok, can you also give
Yeah,
options that which for example, we can show 5 formats to a student, right? And then out of those 5 formats, he can select any one. And then out of those, we have to, he can decide, which one he want to select, and accordingly, he can fill the details. You're
uh,
getting me?
yeah, sir. We
Or
can
or
do that, but uh, as I don't have any idea related to front end as if I am back end back, but I just done with the Replit AI and here's the
so can somebody here who is working on front end? See, it has some mistakes, but otherwise it is fine. It is not, you have to, I think you can improve that. I have downloaded your file. Let me show you how does it looks like. So there are some editing errors on the top, right?
Yes, correct.
And then it is also giving this uh, header footer. You have
Yeah.
to that, you know. This is also giving that.
So it's quite hard to manipulate the PDF. So you can understand it's quite complex.
Mm. But still, good job, I must say. It is still giving a good template.
But
Anybody who
I have an idea where we can use overleaf. So we don't have so overleaf, sir. Uh,
what is overlay?
Overleaf website where we can make this kind of UI proper resume. May I share you a link of Overleaf so you can get
Uh,
idea how
share,
to make resume?
share me. If you are interested, then we can work together on this. I
Yeah,
want,
fine.
basically 5 template of a resume. All template will be designed by me. Like it will be something very professional. So I have been to all the good colleges and I have seen the resume of students, different students from IIMs and IITs. So I am thinking that I will finalize 5 resume template, and then we just have to take input into one resume, in for all the resume field section, and then it will automatically give you 5 template of your resume and you can choose which one you have to carry. You're getting my point, Alok? So basically we are
Yeah,
trying to make a resume creator, and then that resume creator will generate 5 kinds of resume basis the details filled in one form. And then here you should also integrate the options to upload photo as well. And then we will host it on a paid platform so that the URL and the header footer things are not getting reflected there.
yeah, got it.
So Alok, you have my number from WhatsApp. If you are interested, then message me. We'll work on it. We'll take it ahead.
Yeah, but currently I'm just focused on TCS Prime interview as
Yeah,
of
yeah. After
so.
that,
hmm,
after that.
After that, I will be going on. Yeah, I will connect with you.
Perfect. Yes. Anybody else has any questions? उमर, जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं ना तब तक मैं आंसर नहीं दूंगा. Unless and until you share what was asked, I cannot answer you ki whether you are selected or not. Difficult for me. It is never right to comment anything.
So
Ah,
I shared you a Overleaf website. Please open it. I will guide you how to make resume on Overleaf. It's kind of simple for
I have opened that. I sent it to login error not registered. Okay, I have to sign up first. Guys, anybody has any questions? Anybody wants to get their resume reviewed? Please unmute and speak. Okay, I got that. Alok, I can see it.
yeah. From
Mm.
there, I created the entire resume with high ITS score.
Good, good. I got it. Perfect. I will explore it more and then we'll come back. किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है? Yes. I have updated my resume. Can I share? बता दो. We can do that. Anybody has any questions? Utkarsh, have you written the mail to them? पता नहीं if he is there. Okay, we'll look at the resume. Uh, all right, you have got the resume of Lakshmi Kant. Yesterday, we have given him inputs. Okay, quickly let me open that. Yeah, can you see this? Yes. So Lakshmi Kant, it is looking good. You should highlight this thing. It should be in bold. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. It should be in bold. Internships S लगा देना. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is looking good. Projects.
Sir, I have deployed these two projects. Uh, but how can that panel can see that website? If I want to show.
These are hyperlinks, right?
Yes.
You can. So there must be a. You can mail them if they want. They will see. Otherwise, they will ask you question from there only. Don't worry. Or they can just open your GitHub ID, right? It must be. This is not the way to write. You should not use I. It should be written in the second form. Successfully solved data science your problem as assignment. Okay. I successfully. It is only your CV, so it would be you only, right? There cannot be other I. See, this is starting from here. This is starting from here. You should align them into one line. And if this is the third one, it should be in the same way like this one, right? Can you
Okay,
see
sir,
that?
it is not deployed.
No, that's okay, but at least color should be same, if not the hyperlink.
Yeah.
Just one pager only?
Yes, I have
No,
removed
no
the research paper too.
certificates, right? Certificates. Okay.
Yes.
See, I can see you can save a lot of space because you have given a lot of space here. Then you have given a lot of space here. Better reduce this space and mention your achievements and extracurricular because this is too technical. There is no, additional skills or tech set you, matlab, other skill set you have. It could be extracurricular activities, games, sports, music. Nothing is there. Only tech, tech, tech. Okay. So just think about it if you can.
Yes, sir.
And so many tools. Power BI.
Basics I have done in the internship for
How
making
d-
the
how
reports.
how data cleaning is done in Power BI?
Data training.
Data cleaning.
Data cleaning. We can transform data by DAX query and
They mention only if you are confident. Okay?
this.
Because people will ask you good questions. What is analytical thinking? What do you mean by analytical thinking?
Analytical thinking means while working with data, so we can find first we can understand the data, data structure and their description. So I have worked with multiple data, so I can understand it
Oh,
properly.
Analytical thinking is problem solving skills. ये इसको देखना क्या जो लिख रहे हो उसका मतलब पता होना चाहिए और एग्जाम्पल आपका होना चाहिए स- उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए इसका अलाइनमेंट सेंटर में क्यों है इसी लाइन में होना चाहिए ना व्हाई इट इज इन द सेंटर ठीक है
Yes.
ओके ऑलराइट सो आई थिंक वी हैव रिव्यूड अथर्व कैन व्हेन इज योर इंटरव्यू अथर्वा
Sir, didn't get the mail about that. Only survey link got.
हाँ so can we take up your resume tomorrow
Okay, sir.
perfect so we will review your resume tomorrow and if anybody yeah Suyash you have your interview tomorrow right correct कहाँ चला गया ये Suyash, can you hear me? Anybody who is done with their interview tomorrow or in any past day, please share your experience. Okay. Suyash, we would like to hear your resume, experience after tomorrow's interview. Atharva, join on time tomorrow 8:30. I will review your resume. Okay?
Sir, only I want to ask one question, sir.
No, that's okay. Can we do it tomorrow then?
Okay, sir.
If it is not very urgent.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right, guys, then bring some questions in the next class. I see you people don't ask questions. If you are preparing honestly, then you will come across good questions. If you are not preparing, then you would not have any questions. So kindly prepare, work hard, and let me know in the evening call what questions you have. This is a guidance session, so it will be driven by your questions. Okay, it will not be driven by just my thoughts. It would be driven by your Q&A. So think about it and come tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Signing off.